In this video, I'll show you how to create a flip text effect in Camtasia just like this. First, create the text elements as needed for your project. Next, adjust the properties of the text to suit your design. Now, let's add the flip animation. Start by adjusting the opacity of the text to 0 at the starting point. Then, rotate the text on the x-axis to 90 degrees to begin the flip. Adjust the position of the text along the x and z axes to give it the correct movement. Now, duplicate this animation to create a smooth transition. For the end point of the first animation, change the properties to hide the initial text, making way for the next one. Repeat these steps for the second and third texts to complete the effect. If you don't want to do it manually, you can use my zip library, ungroup, and customize it as you need. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.